Still can't find an adequate snoring device? You need this guy right here. The Zipa has the patented tongue band that no one else has. Keeps your tongue in place from falling back into your throat because your tongue is the one that's causing you to snore. So this stops that from happening. I mean, just take a look at this. You could be like this guy right here. And I mean, he's having a time. His old lady's like, I was trying to sleep. And then sure enough, oh no, bad time for her. She's like, you son of a bitch. And he's like, just doing his thing, you know? And then you've got other situations where maybe it's the female snoring, you know? Maybe it's your lady, and he's like, I can't do this. And you know, snoring is a leading cause of relationship troubles because if you can't sleep, you're gonna start fighting a whole lot from that irritation. So get a Zipa, stop that snoring.